happy wisdom teeth coming out, taking out video. What is up, you guys? So I am deciding today, which is Wednesday, July 1st, to vlog my whole wisdom teeth experience. I'm getting my wisdoms out on Friday, July 3rd, and I'm getting all 4 of them out. I am very nervous, but it's happening. So I kind of wanted to show you guys what I think I'm gonna be eating while I am in pain. So let's see what's in my fridge. I have Dreyer's mint cookie crunch. I just noticed that it's a cookie crunch. I think I'm gonna have to buy ice cream tomorrow. But besides that, I will have ice cream, preferably mint chocolate chip, because that is the best. And I also have chocolate pudding. I'm actually pretty excited. The last food item that I have to eat while I am recovering is mashed potatoes. We've actually eaten those mashed potatoes and they're pretty good. So I am excited about that. I don't feel it necessary to get a lot of food. When I eat the chocolate pudding, I do plan on taking some vitamin C because it will help heal. I also have like vitamin C pills that I can take. I don't think I have it, so I'm gonna have to go get it tomorrow too. But I also will be taking zinc. I honestly don't know how this vlog is gonna go. We are currently in a pandemic, more or less, so to say. So I'm pretty sure we'll see how this vlog comes out. My parents are coming into town to help me do this wisdom teeth thing and to help take care of my daughter because my husband is on a fire. Oh, so I do work from home, so I do feel like I will be fine to work on Monday. I'm actually looking forward to just laying in bed and possibly doing nothing, just because I have been saving a few Netflix shows like Queer Eye and 13 Reasons Why, so I'm super excited to finally watch those. So I kind of just wanted to do like a little getting my wisdom teeth out introduction. This is what my face looks like, and we'll see how my face looks like the day of.
She collects. She makes pretty good, I guess. Cause
So I'm home from my wisdom teeth appointment, and I feel great. I did feel numb around here, but I feel great. Seriously knocked out pretty quick. Woke up, and it was all done. Like 45 minutes, but I feel fantastic. I gotta switch this out. This is nasty. Guys. Okay. Another update. It is the evening of the first day, or the day that I got my wisdoms out. I bought this off of Amazon to help with the swelling, and I'm not wearing gauze because the bleeding has stopped. I want to show you guys how much the swelling has gone down. For most of the day, my bottom lip, my chin, and my tongue has been numb, but now my chin's a little bit numb, but it's practically gone, and my tongue is still numb. but the swelling has gone down a lot. When we came home, or after the last video that I filmed, I just went to sleep. I slept for 4 hours, woke up, and we went and ate at Olive Garden, and I got a pasta. The dental assistant, she said that I could eat pasta, so I got myself some pasta, and it was really good. I really just like used my front teeth to like chew it and then I swallowed it. It was pretty easy. And then after that I had cheesecake. I only ate like the cheesecake part, I didn't eat the crust. It was really good. Drink water, but I didn't use a straw. That's all I had today, and that was like around 6 o'clock. But I haven't been hungry, and I'm pretty sure like that my body just went through something traumatic, so it's not the first thing on my mind. When we got home this evening, because the anesthesia is wearing off, I started to feel a bit of pain, so I took ibuprofen, and then I also took amoxicillin. I'm supposed to take amoxicillin 3 times a day. Yeah, I would have to say that this whole first day experience is actually a lot better than I thought it would be. I thought I would be out of it, crying, and I just thought it would be totally different, but it's not. And I'm so happy that I feel good. I feel okay. I heard though that the second day after surgery, it can be pretty bad. So I'm expecting it, of course. But just happy to report that my experience hasn't been too bad so far. What is up, you guys? Day 2 of my wisdom teeth vlog. I actually have not vlogged until now. It is about 3:30. Sorry, I just took some amoxicillin, and I have to take it in chocolate pudding because I can't swallow pills when they're pretty big. I honestly feel so great. For one, I didn't expect this kind of, I guess, recovery. Like, I honestly thought I was gonna be out of it, but I have been great. In fact, like yesterday, I was able to like take care of her, you know? I just want to wear this because I feel like it kind of helps with the soreness. Anesthesia has worn off, so I can feel everything. Today we went and ate at a restaurant in Provo called Bok Bok. It was so good. They told me that one of the foods I can eat is pasta and chicken, along with like pudding and ice cream and all of that. So I had chicken. I did try like their butter rice thing, and I think I got some stuck. The food was so good. I definitely couldn't eat as much as I wanted to, just because I had to eat really slow. But other than that, I feel great. I drove to the restaurant and drove to pick up a few things for my patio outside, and feel completely fine. Like, I don't feel drowsy or I don't feel lightheaded or anything like that, so that's good. But yeah, just soreness on the bottom, and that's pretty much it. I do want to take a nap right now though, because I just feel tired and really think I need to rest. This is what my face is looking like. Not too swollen. I have to take it off because I think I put it too tight. I don't think I will check in again today, just because unless anything comes different, I may just check in tomorrow. Good morning. Today is Sunday, July 5th. I don't feel any pain. I do feel some on this side. I definitely now feel like the space where the wisdom teeth were, because my wisdom teeth were pretty grown in. Not too swollen. I did wear my ice pack last night, just 20 minutes before I went to sleep. But I did take some ibuprofen last night. Good evening, you guys. So I just wanted to close out day 3 and just do a little report. Teeth are feeling fine. Of course, I feel the soreness. I did not take ibuprofen this evening. The last time I took ibuprofen was last night. So I didn't have pain throughout the day. So I didn't take ibuprofen tonight because I'm pretty sure I'll be okay. I had ice cream this morning, pudding of course. My parents brought me an elote bowl from 0 Degrees in California when they came up on Thursday, so I've ate that. I ate the fettuccine alfredo pasta from Olive Garden. That's basically it. That's my update coming to the end of day 3. Good morning. I woke up with like a really bad headache or migraine or whatever it is, like all on the left side of my head. Sleeping last night was pretty uncomfortable. I feel like I look a little swollen. Waking up like this was not the business. Today is Tuesday, day 5 since I got my wisdom teeth out, and we are at the pool today. Tomorrow's actually Lena's birthday, so I kind of wanted to bring her to do her most favorite thing in the world, which is swimming. But as for my wisdom teeth pain, there really isn't any. I just have been having bad headaches as of yesterday. So that's the only thing, but like pain otherwise, it's not really prominent. Like of course it's there and I feel it, but it's not like hurting. Swimmy, swimmy. I definitely plan to get tan, so.
Swimmy, swimmy.
Yeah. Oh, I just got these unexpectedly at my door. They smell amazing. From the people who did my teeth. This is so beautiful. Honestly, like this is so nice. Like I'm so grateful, and they really did like such a great job. Like obviously healing is going so well, but I can put this in the wisdom teeth vlog because it came from my wisdom teeth people. This is so awesome. Good morning, you guys. So I have not vlogged, I think, the past couple of days, but today's Friday. It's been a week since I got my wisdom teeth out, almost literally to the hour. I think that the reason why I hadn't been vlogging it is because I feel normal. I know that I'm not completely normal, even though I feel normal, but just I don't feel any soreness. I think I'm used to the feeling of the space.
These eyes.
Your eyes. So I think I'm getting used to the feeling of the teeth out of my mouth. So I think it's just, healing has just been great. Like the only pain I felt probably was like within the first couple of days, and after that it's just been amazing. So I am just so surprised by how my recovery has been for this, just because I expected to be a whole totally different experience. I'm going to close out the video here. I only expect better situations or better things to come. If you got your wisdom teeth out, definitely let me know down below. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful if you need to get your wisdom teeth out, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you subscribe. I'll see you in my next one.